Look what I did. Look at it. Well, my finger really hurts. Really bad.
Sure it does.
I got a hook in my finger.
I think you did it on purpose. Is that super glued on there? You clipped the point off and super glued it on just for video.
Okay, so you got to get a loopy, just in case that hurts really bad.
I bet.
So you get a loopy, and you put it through the little hole, and it's hurting really bad. In case this ever happens to anybody. So then my job is to hold this down here like this.
I gotta go over the whole thing. You want me on?
You have to get like there.
In that. So go and grab through there. And which way do I pull?
Kind of like
Up or back?
both.
Like that way.
Yeah. All right, hold on. I need to like brace myself to not cry here.
We got a hook? Yep.
Yeah, but I don't need any more people staring at me. So just keep. No offense, but just don't need it. Don't need it.
Don't hold it so tight that it's not going to come out of you, though.
Yeah, you're right. Good point. Good point. I do have to hold it down though. Go. That hurts so bad. Boom, son.
For a moment. Okay, first aid kit time.
Do you have?
I have first aid kit.
Because like the burn out
I'm
of it.
bleeding.
Hey, it worked.
No, it works good. You need to know how to do it. It's important. Now we know, right? It's either that or the hospital, and that's easy, and I don't have to go to the hospital.
Well,
it hurt really bad, but you want to use braid because of there's no stretch. It just goes.
Yeah. I got you, bro.
Where'd our buddy go? That saw it. Oh. I'm like, I don't need any more people looking at it. Just keep going.
He wanted to watch.
Well, yeah, I would too. Oh, my finger hurts.
It looks like it.
Whew. We're here. We're at Lake Henry. The lake where it costs $10 million to launch. What are you doing?
Trying to get out your rat's nest.
Fixing my rod because I don't have the patience to do it.
This is why you bring me.
Wow. Oh, it's a crappie. He's still on there. Look at that guy. Look at him. Look at this guy. Look at the mouth on him. Look at that. I feel slightly happier. If we catch a couple, maybe I'll get happy. What do you think?
I think so.
One down, 90 more to go. 90 more to go. First bass. No, another crappie. Wow. Holy crappies. Another crappie. It's a nice one too. They're crappie. He's all right. Took it right at the boat. Oh, it's in my hand. I need you to get this fish off of this lure.
Okay.
Get me my bowl cutters out of the toolbox. Okay, we have to go. Have Dave pull this out. What a day. I gotta be done fishing. I'm getting hurt way too much.
Don't step on your lure.
Go. My finger's all bleedy. I don't have a whole lot in here. Well, you got more than I do right now, because I'm just kind of just bleeding.
Use the Band-Aid wash first.
Well, whatever I don't have, I got in this. I got the army kit.
Ow.
There's scalpels and tourniquets in there.
Just cut my finger off because it's throbbing right now.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice and throbby.
Ow.
I know, it has antiseptic, it'll numb it.
Ow. Ow. It's in my hand.
You got everything.
It's in my hand, dude. It was a perch, and he just went like, and it was big, dude. And he shook and just ripped it into me. And I just go, I'm going, ow. I'm going, ow. And it was like, we have to call Dave. I'm like, what is he gonna do? Like, there's nothing you can do out there.
Well,
like, I need to
the
come
same
in.
thing.
Yeah, I needed to, but I figured in here is better than out there.
Well, yeah, because you're not trying to balance on a boat.
My finger hurts. We're done for the day?
Yeah, I was gonna come in and just hang out for a while.
Well, good, because I'm done getting hurt now. I've had enough.
Yeah, he
I
stabbed
don't
his-
even know if I should drive home. I had a rough
Drink a bunch of
day.
beers. Give me.
Look at the color Band-Aid I have. This is a good
But you
Band-Aid.
just wrap it in electrical tape.
My finger hurts.
I bet. Just don't wrap it too tight because it'll start to.
Yeah.
It's already doing it. What are you doing, Bushcraft?
Bushcrafting a fire at a remote bushcraft.
We're super
location.
remote.
You can hear the crickets.
We're deep.
The local
We're
crickets.
deep. How far do we hike in? Do we portage?
At least a couple hours.
How many portages? 4?
Three.
Three.
One was like 25 miles, I think.
Is that fat wood?
I think. I'm not even sure if this is how you do this. I've never lit a fire like common folk. I think that's how you do it.
That's definitely how you do it. I'm just not happy.
I wasn't
about
sure
it.
if you should break it apart.
No, that's
or...
it. It's got wax and.
Well, it's full of wax, dryer lint, and wood chips, I think. Wow, this wood is dry. Look, it's already catching.
Yeah.
This is what it's like to light a fire, huh?
Well, they probably didn't even. They bought it from like a
Bundled
warehouse.
from a guy, yeah.
From a warehouse.
It's probably kiln dried.
Is that Bushcraft?
Super bushcraft. I don't think there's a chance it'll go out.
No, it could be raining though. It won't even rain near us. My finger hurts. Look at this. Look what I did. Look at it. Just look at it.